It's another good day in the market, guys. So I took this sell trade on Boom 500 index. I got my entries at this point and I shot this sell signal to my VIP members. We first got this drop to the downside before price pushed back a little bit, which we closed part of our positions in profit. So price is dropping massively from our entry point, and I expect price to get to this level. I've closed over 70% of my sell positions in profits, which I still have about 30% running up in profits, and I expect price to sell to this level. So how did I know this index is going to sell from this zone? What's my analysis and view on this index? So here in today's video, we'll be having a trade review on this index, a market breakdown, and a market analysis basically. I'll be sharing to you guys what I saw in the market that made me sell this index at this point, my entry reasons, and my analysis in general. So on the daily time frame, because you guys don't whenever want to analyze the market, whenever want to look after the opportunities, I start from a high time frame, and this high time frame can be the daily time frames, can be the weekly or the monthly time frame. So on daily time frame, this index has been in an uptrend for a very long time, creating higher highs and higher lows. Firstly, I analyze from a high time frame. I have a bigger view of the market, a high time frame view of the market. It puts my focus in place, right? So until the market's in an uptrend and seeing how far this index has been bullish, I expected a retracement, a corrective move would say. And looking at this structure here, this formation, the market created a double bottom formation on the daily time frame, the first lows and the second lows. This is a bullish reversal pattern formation that formed in an uptrend, which produced this bullish move. And this being a reversal pattern formation, it always comes with a neckline. Every reversal pattern formation has a neckline, so I expected price to test this neckline. The retest of the neckline is expected on this index, and you can see on this formation the market didn't really give any retest on it after the breakout to the upside. So on price attempting to retest this level, trying to retest this zone, we didn't get the market come to this level, so price pushed up a little bit, created a zone here, and we're getting the drop to the downside, which I still expect the sells to this level. The retest is still expected on this index. So this is the projection on the high time frame on this index. I expect price to drop to the downside, drop before the bullish continuation to the upside. This index is still bullish. Let's have that in mind. So the buys are still expected. The buys is expected only if price can get to those important levels on a higher time frame. So we got a level here. After we got this push up at this point, price created a zone here, which I looked at for sell opportunities because I expected price to drop to this level. So for price to drop to this level for the buy move, the sells is expected. So I went to a lower time frame. First, I spotted a zone on the 1 hour time frame. This zone of resistance the market created, getting a lot of reactions on these levels. Always do well to mark out the market levels and zones. It helps with your entry points and exit points in the market. So having this level, this zone basically as one of those important zones in the market, we've got a lot of reactions. Same price, sell on this level, resistance, resistance. The buys on this level, supports, resistance here, resistance at this point, and the resistance here as well. So the market structure on a lower time frame looked very much good for the sells, and also got this level marked out, which is my exit point on this sell trade. So you can see price reacting on this level resistance as well, resistance here before it goes broken turn support. So still have buy possibilities on price selling to this zone. If price can get to this level, we have possibilities of getting a reaction, a bullish reaction from this point. So this would be my exit point. This is my exit point basically on this buy trade. I have about 3 positions running up, and I decided to make a video on this sales, sharing with you guys what I think of the market and my expectations, a trade review basically. So on the 1 hour time frame, my sell zone came from this level that we'll see price we expect couple of times getting the sell resistance, the sells here as well resistance. I was like, if price can sell on this level a couple of times, also buy on it at a support level, we still have sell possibilities on the market coming back to the same level. So I took my sells at this point. Price is dropping massively. So on the lower time frame, the 15-minute time frame, I spoiled the bullish structure here, which the market was creating lower highs formation, 3 lower highs basically, getting the first highs here, and the second highs at this point, and the third high is here. I expected this sell, so it's only third high is the market created the reversal pattern formation, a bearish reversal pattern formation, which is a head and shoulders pattern formation. So on the break of the neckline, I sold this index. I took the sells on Boom 500 index on the break of this neckline. At this point, we got the left shoulder there, the head at that point, and the right shoulder here basically. The left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder. So it's on the break of the neckline. I got my entries on this index. Price dropped down a little bit, pushed up to come give a retracement, retested this level and still created a double top formation that I got my second entries on. On the first sells, I managed to close out part of my positions in profit before price retraced, and I still re-entered on a couple of confirmations, right? Even though I held some positions, I held 3 positions, I still had to add more positions on a couple of confirmations on getting the market create a double top formation. You had the first highs and the second highs here. I sold on the neckline. You can see how far price has sold and the market has been selling. And on the 1 hour time frame in general, we've got the market creates this very structure. Same price creates series of lower highs and lower lows and lower highs formation. So the sells to this level definitely expected. Remember, the trade projections remains the same. The sells to this level, this zone that was created on the 4 hour time frame, would say the daily time frame, before we can see more buy continuation, more bullish continuations on this index. So what are we to note on this trade review? Firstly, I identified the market structure on the higher time frame, supported the market direction. Secondly, I marked out the market levels and zones. Thirdly, I worked in hand. I had a projection basically and expectations of the market, which is sell expectations. So I worked in hand with that sell expectations on the lower time frame to get my entries. So I looked out for bearish formations, bearish patterns to take my sell zone. And you can see how far price has sold from my entry points, from my sell zone basically. So this is how I sold Boom 500 index using this simple price action market approach. Just put the market levels and zones, market formations, market structures. Because price action analysis is basically using past market reactions, formations, zones, levels, and all of that to predict the next market move. So I used the previous levels and zones and market structures and formations to predict the next market move, which we are getting right now, right? The drops the downside for the sales is expected on this index. So that's this, guys. That's how I sold this index. So for more trade reviews, likes, and market breakdown, do want to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for engaging in my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and do have a wonderful day.